Developing a chip from design to mass production is one of the costliest, most complex feats of engineering. And making chips more powerful by squeezing in more transistors using advanced lithography only gets harder with each new generation of chip technology. That's why at ASML, we developed holistic lithography to help chip makers meet their most stringent patterning requirements. Holistic lithography integrates computational modeling, optical measurement, and electron beam inspection with lithography systems. It enables chip makers to understand, optimize, and control their chip-making processes quickly and at the right cost. The size and accuracy of the chip features a lithography system can print depends on many variables, including reticle design, system optics, and exposure and wafer processing conditions. So, as chip makers set up new patterning processes, we help them co-optimize these variables to maximize image accuracy. And that, in turn, translates to more good chips per wafer. Before a single pattern is printed, chip makers use computational lithography during R&D to optimize their designs and processes. The underlying algorithms correct for physical effects that distort patterns during the lithography process. Next, chip makers evaluate their choices by checking pattern quality on test wafers. Optical metrology systems measure how well the layers in a chip are aligned, and E-beam inspection systems detect pattern defects that can cause a chip to not work. The insights gained from scrutinizing the printed patterns enable chip makers to correct for issues that impact pattern yield. Once they've established a patterning process, chip makers have to ramp up that process. This means ensuring it remains stable, wafer after wafer, to maximize the number of good chips. Our hardware and software work together to deliver that stability. First, we make sure our hardware is as stable as possible for as long as possible. Then, we provide chip makers with extensive control over the lithographic process. Measurements taken before, during, and after each exposure feed into control loops. Software turns that data into corrections the lithography system executes. By making these adjustments, chip makers minimize pattern-to-pattern variation and maintain consistent performance in high-volume manufacturing. For chip makers, this holistic approach is key to manufacturing their chip technology. It's only by combining early optimization with increased control that they can achieve the patterning performance they need for 2D scaling, 3D integration, and beyond, and do it on time and at the right cost. As chip makers' innovations uncover new patterning challenges, our job is to help them meet those challenges so we can keep powering technology forward together.